Alright everybody, today we got this here LG Trom dryer. I got the washer and the dryer, but the washer has a bad spider, so it's going away. I pulled everything off of it, and I'm hoping I can use the board for another machine, but let's tear this one down and see what we can do. Okay, push it back like that. Let's see what we got in here. So I think this one works. It's like we have our circuit board up here. So it's all one unit on this one, all the control board and everything. These two here. Short screws to get the circuit board off, and then we've got to like find the little things, the little tabs here. Okay, we're off on that side. There we go. So I guess we're gonna have to unplug all this stuff. It's one thing that sucks when it doesn't have a divorced control panel to a UI board, is you have to unplug everything. Guess we don't have to take this one off. So we got 4 screws on this one. Pull that off. I'm gonna hook the sensor bar down there. The heat element's good. Okay, so this thermostat or whatever it is not good. That's not, unless it's a thermistor, it is not metering out here. So it was interesting because I think he was using this thing. So let me see. Oh, I do have another one of those right there.
Hand on one side and then the other hand on the other side because it's too wide.
Uh-oh. Well, Milo, you gotta get the tape to stay on one side somehow.
But it's too short though.
What?
My arms are too short though.
Okay. No, I can't. I gotta do this. I just told you. It's alright, we'll figure it out later.
What are we gonna do right now?
This.
I don't know what brother's doing.
Go help your brother.
I don't know what he's doing.
He's working on.
Okay. Color these bearings. That was not bad, but
I'm gonna have to do this one.
I have to do something about that.
Dad, can I help you with
When are you gonna do that?
Alright, so now we're gonna get all that hair off of there and clean these bearing shafts, and then clean the, we'll do that on all 4 bearings and keep all 5 bearings, I guess. This one too. And get a towel or something. Let's use a sock today. Why not? Why not? Just might as well just use the sock today, you know? What difference does it make anyways? Sock or rag? Alright. I don't know if the sock's actually gonna work. So I don't know if it'll go in there. I guess I better find something else. This rag will probably work. You know, I don't know. I'm just really not even really feeling it today. You guys ever have those days? I've been working and working and working. I mean, I've been posting videos and editing videos. No time for fun, right? You just work and work and work and work. Much better on that one. It didn't even spin before. I get my car back stocked up with everything I need. Time to move back into the car. Well, not weeks, maybe about a week. Connect the sensor bars. Yeah, get my car stocked back up in case I get work tomorrow. So you never know. Never know when people are gonna call, so gotta be ready. Probably not gonna do anything today though. Just try to get some of these machines ran through. Might go deliver a stove to my brother. There's that. Let's plug this light in over here. Do the plug first here. While we can, make it easier. And that guy. It's 4 regular screws here. Plug in the door switch. Four regular screws on that. Drop one. Why not just drop one, you know? Might as well. No point in holding it, you know. So like the bottom has to go down in. There we go. Like I couldn't get it to go in the right direction type thing there for a minute. Should like kind of lock in at the top, kind of like that. Plug everything back in, depending on how it wants to lay here. I think it's supposed to go like that. Yep. Gotta make sure that it all stays out of the way of the drum there, because that drum's gonna be spinning right there, obviously. Okay, 2 short screws, the silvery short plasticky ones, because those other 2 go for the door. Wash the lint filter, put the top on, and test it. Alright, well, there you guys go. There's your video on the LG Trom, the silver one this time. So, thanks for watching, and comment and subscribe.